Now, it has been 4 years since the death of Kenya's second president, the late Mzee Moi, who died on the 4th of February 2020. Family and friends on Sunday converged at the late retired president's residence at Kabarak, Nakuru for a memorial service. Mzee Moi is remembered as a statesman who left an indelible mark in the country's education and agricultural sectors, in addition to creating a cohesive society in its diversity. Ken Gashohe reports.
Family and close friends of Kenya's second president, the late Daniel Toroitich Arap Moi, arrived at his Kabarak residence, Nakuru County, on Sunday. They congregated by this mausoleum where the late Mzee Moi and his late wife Lena Moi were laid to rest in prayers and celebrating the life of a statesman who died on the 4th of February 2020 at the age of 96.
I have set the Lord always before me, because he is at my right hand, I shall not be moved. Therefore my heart is glad, and my glory rejoices. My flesh also will rest in hope.
Delight yourself in the Lord, and he will give you the desires and petitions of your heart. Commit your way to the Lord, trust in him also, and he will do it.
The family and those who were close to Mzee Moi had a chance to lay wreaths on the two graves. Moi's aide-de-camp Colonel Alexander Kiprop was also here to pay his respect to his late former boss.
This is my soul.
The family, led by Moi's children Gideon and Raymond, continues to walk in the footsteps of their late patriarch as they continue to impact the lives of those around them and the country.
Mzee Moi's family, please take it from us, from the clergy, from the Kabarak families, from the friends who are here. The future is bright. God holds Mzee Moi's family in good place.
This man stood firm and walked in love of God. He demonstrated a strong Christian character. And because of who he was, and because of who you met him to be, today we are here just to thank you because of him.
The late Mzee Moi is also celebrated as a great patriot who inspired unity, spirituality, and love among Kenyans. Ken Gashohe, KTN News.
Details